Today I might be making a huge mistake or a little mistake. We're gonna find out. We're still in quarantine. I wanted to do this a while ago, but I had some other videos to film first. But today I'm gonna dye my hair pink, or rose gold to be exact, with a temporary color depositing mask. So it should come out of my hair within like 5 washes, maybe 10. I hope not 10. I'm hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. I have a feeling it's not gonna really look good because, as you can see, I don't have super blonde hair. My hair is like half blonde, half brown. Oh man, this is probably a really bad idea. The smart thing would be to strand test this and see how it looks, but I'm not gonna do that either because I feel like it's gonna look bad and then I'm not gonna do it. And then I bought this for nothing. So we're just gonna do my whole head. Let's just send it like everyone else on YouTube. By the way, if you guys don't know me, this is what my hair normally looks like dry. Yeah, let's just do it. Life's too short. I've never had any color in my hair ever in my life. This will be really fun. Also, my mom doesn't know about it and she's gonna be mad. All right, here we go.
Yeah.
How I feel about this already. Also, it's non-damaging, so it's not gonna hurt my hair in any way. It's just really fun. You know, we're having fun today. This is fun. Looks really pretty already. I need to make sure that I really saturate everything because I don't want it to look splotchy. I don't want it to look splotchy. It's hard to get it on all the strands. I probably should have taken smaller sections. I never thought I'd be one of these girls dyeing my hair on camera in my room without my mom knowing. I sound way too old to be saying that. I did tell my grandma and she was like, okay. I was like, don't tell mom.
You better talk to her before I do because I'm hurt her feelings. That's up.
I don't even have a mirror right now. This is a disaster. Why don't I have a mirror? I'm using the viewfinder. I'm gonna end up with the choppiest. I just felt major anxiety all running through my chest. This is nice and relaxing. We are going heavy-handed. See, the thing about these kind of decisions is they're usually like at least somewhat impulsive. I've had time to think on this. I ordered this a month ago, so I'm the only one to blame if it goes terribly wrong. And by the way, since I have so much brown in my hair, it's not gonna stick to the brown parts. Not gonna really do anything to those. So I'm gonna have like half brown, half pink hair, which I'm not even a big fan of, to be honest. I like people that go all the way. I can't do that though. My hair's too dark. Maybe I should have brushed my hair before I put this on. Oh my god, I'm gonna look like a punk girl, but it's always been a dream of mine, so. This is harder than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be like really easy to like section my hair and get this stuff all over it, but it's proving to be quite the challenge. This is fun. I'm having fun now. At the end of the day, it's just hair. Like, who cares? I'm getting excited. I've never done anything exciting to my hair. And you know, the reason why everyone's been dyeing their hair, I'm sure we all know, is because if it looks bad, you can just hide at your house for the next however long. We're stuck here anyway. I don't ever feel anxious about stuff, but I'm feeling anxious right now. I mean, like, you guys know, you probably know, I don't know if you know. Anyway, I make hair videos on YouTube like a lot for my wavy / curly hair, and I just don't want to ruin that for me. This is what my bottle is looking like. It's nasty. Oh, I haven't even thought about the back yet. Ow. But honestly, like, if anything goes wrong with this, it's because my hair is too dark and it just looks stupid, which I'm half expecting. Maybe even more. I might be fully expecting that. I feel like it's not sticking to the ends. This is ASMR now. This is really clean and satisfying to look at. It looks purple. I'd be fine if it turned purple. Purple kind of neutralizes brassiness, right? I watch a lot of Brad Mondo, and he always says that for bleach and color, people don't use enough. So I made sure that I really used a lot. And honestly, I don't know if I'll ever be using this again anyway, so I might as well just go full in. Let me check the mirror. Oh my god, I didn't even get the entire top half of my head. Why did I think I could do this without a mirror? I didn't even like touch this hair up here. My hair's long. Oh man, I don't know if this goes with my skin tone. The thing about colored hair is you have to be wearing makeup to look good. This is what we look like at the ends. Looks like they're taking well. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing yet. We'll see. I feel like Avril Lavigne or something. My Avril Lavigne dreams are coming true right now. I used to love her, guys. You don't understand. I dressed up as her all the time when I was younger and even went to school like that for a 4th grade project. I was living my best life. Okay, guys, I'm gonna come back when I wash this out. Wish me luck, please. I just rinsed it out and put in all of my normal products. And right now, my hair feels so unbelievably soft. I've done deep conditioning treatments and stuff. My hair never feels like this afterwards, so I'm just kind of amazed right now. Can't wait to see what it looks like when it's dry. It's gonna get way lighter, hopefully. I feel like I have dark hair again. This is crazy. It also mostly washed off my hands, I didn't say. Okay, see you guys when my hair's dry. I hope it looks good. I'm back. Let's reveal my hair. I like staying like this better, to be honest. Okay, this is what we're looking like. Yeah. Let's talk. Let's get it all off our chest. So basically, yes, the moroccanoil color depositing mask works. As you can see, it turned my hair pinkish. This is so weird. Let me see if my ring light brightens it up. Ooh! Kind of doesn't. No, I don't like that. Okay. Basically, this was what I expected it. I don't know how to, I'm not crazy about it. You can probably tell. Essentially, my hair is not blonde enough for it to be the type of pink that I like, and I knew that going into it. I knew that fully, and I still made this decision. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. It's not terrible. If my whole head looked like this, it would be really cool. But my whole head does not look like that because I have so much brown in my hair still. So, I've never been so speechless in a video. I don't even know what I'm thinking or saying. I feel like this color is not me. That's all. That's all that I'm thinking. It does not match my vibe or my personality or anything. I don't know, it's kind of growing on me actually. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's get some reactions. I almost matched my bedspread now. Okay, let's call Andrew first. I'm gonna screen record it. What are your expectations?
I'm expecting that it's not super pink. Well, that's like boom.
Okay, are you ready?
Oh. Whoa. You do the top at all?
Yeah, my top is just really brown.
Whoa. Whoa. That's cool. It looks good.
Do you like
It's
it?
like a platinum paint. Yeah, it's not too much. Do you like it?
It's alright. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. I'm hoping it washes out like pretty quick though. Because it's fun to have for like a day, but I don't want this for a while.
I think it looks cool. I think I'll rock it for a couple days. Listen, Taylor went pink. What's almost pink? The subscribe button. Hit it.
Time to call Caitlin and Courtney, my best friends. Okay.
See it.
Are you ready, guys?
I'm ready. Oh, it looks good. I like it.
Do you guys like it? I mean, yeah, it's fine. It's what I
It makes your
expected.
hair look darker.
Yeah, my hair looks a lot darker, so it's weird. Whoa. See? Look at that. This is much cooler. I just don't like brown roots with colored hair. This looks so cool. Little Red Riding Hood. This is one of my brothers, Connor. Say hi.
Hello.
This is my other brother, Stevie. Ready to see my hair? Are any of you gonna say
I
anything?
mean, it looks darker like the front.
It's like kind of patchy right here.
It's like not even pink like on this side.
Rate it out of 5.
I mean, it's like pink this side, brown on this side.
No, it's not.
Okay,
I
it
would
looks
do it-
better on camera actually.
I would do another coat. I mean, it's not
It's good.
horrible.
I mean, your normal hair is better, but it's not terrible.
Okay.
It's not like
You know. This is like super cool. And then my roots. I am excited for this to kind of fade a little bit so it gets a little lighter because my hair looks so dark right now and it's weirding me out because I'm really used to my blondish hair. It's growing on me a little bit. I'm getting more used to it. It's kind of a big shock to go a color when you've never done anything like that to your hair. Now the clothing that I wear is going to be more difficult to figure out. because I feel like it only looks good when I wear pink or neutrals.
What'd you do to your hair?
All right, open your eyes.
When did you do that?
Today.
Is it washable?
It's like gonna fade out in 5 washes. Completely.
Do you like it?
It's alright. It's growing on me. It's a shock at first, isn't it?
It's like, what?
So I've gone through quite a bit of emotions with this hair. As we could see, I totally missed so much of my hair, especially on the sides and everything. So last night I finished the entire bottle and went all over the rest of my hair and went over everything again. And now it's like, whew, she is popping. Oh my goodness. I don't know who she is. I feel way cuter when I have straight hair. I just feel like it looks better. Don't know why. When I woke up this morning, I was not feeling good. I was like, this looks so bad. And then I was like, you know what? Stop self-loathing. It's just hair. And I'm going to do my makeup. I'm going to straighten my hair and style it. And we're going to feel good about ourselves today. No more self-loathing. For those of you who follow me for my hair, just so you know, I haven't straightened my hair in like at least 2 months. So I don't do it often. And I'll let this last for a while. When I have the curly natural hair, it looks better to have a more natural hair color. But when I have the straight unnatural hair, it looks fine to have an unnatural color. Do you feel me? Does that make any sense? I don't really know. I feel really secretive because I can't post this video at least like a week from now. So I'm gonna have to just like be chilling and not post any pictures of my hair and hide it from all of you guys until I post this video. I'm more of a fan now that it's more even and I did the second layer. If you're in quarantine and want to do a little temporary thing, then you should definitely check out the moroccanoil color depositing masks. This video isn't sponsored. I emailed moroccanoil and was like, I've literally promoted you guys so much. Can we like collab? And they didn't respond. I don't even think they have like a PR team. I feel like, anyway, you guys don't care about that. If you made it to the end, comment rose gold and then I'll know that you're a real one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a great day and I will see you soon. Bye.